Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your GitHub repos password. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to go to the settings so we can be able to reset our password. And in your profile or in your page, you will be needing just to go to your profile icon that you will find here in the corner, and simply you will be needing to go to your settings, or you can simply start finding everything from here, but we are interested on the settings, so we can just go here and profile, and simply we can go to the settings. We can find this here in this menu, and by clicking on settings it will take us, and basically now we will be needing just to go to the passwords. And here you will find your account. Basically here you can export your data, delete your account, etc. And for our password, we will be needing just to go to password and authentication. So basically from here you will find this password and authentication option, and from here you will be able to find your password. So if you want to reset your password, you will be needing just to click on change password, and from here you will need just to add your old password. You add your new password that you want to create, and basically here you confirm your new password, of course. Then you click on update password, and by that you will be able to reset your password. In case you have forgotten your uh, password, you can just sign out, and basically when signing up you will be needing just to click on forgot my password. You get to the link that they have sent you in the email, and you reset your password. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.